Hello, we were thinking of all of you making festive meals for all your friends and families to gather this holiday. So we're hoping to guide you how to start harvesting from your very soft-leaved herbs. One has to really start guiding them from young to get enough abundance. So you'll actually notice this has already had a harvest before. See, the leaders, the first stalks, have all been trimmed to allow for bushing out. So with the basil, you actually want to cut from above, and you want to prevent any flowering. So what I do when I do my initial harvesting, I go all the way down the stem to where I see the new shoots appearing on the base. And that's where I want to cut, because these two shoots will emerge to make the plant all bushy. Okay. So we're going to make a very, very simple chopped herbs oil mix. So the basil, what I usually would do for a salad is I would normally tear it up, get all the soft leaves together. Then we'll add some of the rocket. So I'm chopping up the parsley as fine as possible. Okay, so all you need for this is some olive oil and some salt. And this will keep in a jar. I'd say I think we need a little bit more salt. About a week. The oil is a bit of a preservative, but I'd like to have this as fresh as possible.